Cindy with Creating the Heart. I am back from the crafting adventure I had, in-person retreat with Mama Elephant, and it was amazing. So it's going to be a two-part video because there's just too much to share. It was a 2-day retreat. It cost, I think, $469. It was absolutely not cheap. I was surprised by how many people came from all over the United States. Actually, it wasn't until the second day that I actually met some local people. And well, local to me is somebody who lives in either Orange County or LA. I did meet people that were from Northern California. There was someone from Temecula, which I mean, it's sort of local, but it's still like an hour away. Same with San Diego. So, but I did meet a few people that were closer to where I live. If you don't know, Santa Ana is about, I don't know, 15 minutes away from Disneyland. And so I live really close to there. So anyway, it was great. I didn't have to pay for staying in the hotel or flying. So I did spend all of that money back in product. So it was a great event. I'm going to talk about mostly what we did on the first day and what I bought. And then a second video will be mostly about the second day, which is the classes. And I'm going to talk about the swag bag. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm going to actually do the swap first, even though that wasn't the first thing that we did. The first thing that we did was we did a coloring class, and I'll do that with the classes. So I'm going to talk about all I'm going to show you all of the swaps and get lots of great ideas from Mama Elephant products. Everyone did an amazing job. And so I actually got 2 out of the 4 winners of the swap. I actually have 2 of those, so I'll be able to show you what won. So we have this card, cute, and I love this one. Isn't that cute? And let's see, we have this one, and it moves. And what's really fun about these cards is that they're left so that you actually can use them. So they're not just like covered with the other person's name and information. That's like kept separate. So that way you can use the cards, which I think is great. Let me open this one up so we can see it. I think that's really wonderful, because that way we can you can use it. And they were supposed to come with envelopes, and so the idea is then that you can use the card, which I think is great. So I'm just going to put that together later. And some of their information, this one, and so lots and lots of fun inspiration. We got this cute one, and so there's little koalas here, so you can kind of customize the card. I love that. I need a baby card, so I think one of these would be really great for that. This one is really like wowza. You can see that. It's a slim line. That one's a wowza card. Very cute. And I love that they gave us envelopes and everything. So fun. And then got this one. So just a huge card share right now. Oops. So that everyone can get a look at all of these wonderful ideas. And isn't that cute? Very, very cute. Love that. That might be a cute baby card. And this one. This is supposed to be an easel card. I'm not going to take it out, but cute, right? And then I loved this one. Oops, upside down. You can see all the cards that I got were all different. So this one is like a... So everything I got was different. So that also makes it really, really fun. And, oh, I love this one. It comes with a little easel that you could prop it up. Isn't that one cute? So, and let's see here. So you're supposed to make 24, and then 23 are gifted. So there's 23 cards in here that I got. Isn't that cute? Love that. And this one, I actually have this stamp. Cute. And so this one, I can't remember if this one won second. No, I think this was won third. But I'm going to take it out because I'm so happy that I actually got these 2 cards because they are like amazing. So this little guy moves. Isn't that crazy? It is so cute. I'm definitely going to keep this card because danged if I'm not going to try and figure out how to make this card. Isn't that so freaking cute? I love it so much. So that won third. The second one was like a comic strip card, and that was it was like a teenager who made it. So she was a daughter of one of the other girls, but the women there. But anyway, she made like a comic strip card that had tons of masking, and it's just unbelievable that she made that many of them. But the card that won was this one right here, and this is an actual pin. So she used a shrinky dink and colored it and put it on a pin back, and then she included a little Yeti that you could put in here so that you still had the trading card. And that won first place, and it was so, I mean, those 2 cards absolutely deserved to win. They were absolutely amazing, and I feel so fortunate that I was lucky enough because I mean, it's very possible that I wouldn't have gotten any of them. So it's amazing that I got those 2 because they were, in my opinion, they were the best ones. But that's just because my own personal taste. So next we have the shoebox swap. So the shoebox swap is one in which we teach a card to the table. And so they kind of messed up a little bit because they had us make 8 of them, but they cut it at 36 and they had 6 tables. So you could only, anyway, it didn't work out with the math. So we had 2 left over, which I actually had 3 left over because I didn't make my card myself. So I gave those away, and I can only see 2 of the ones, the little kits. I don't know what I did with the third one. Maybe I only gave away 2. I don't know. But anyway, I'll show you. So this was one of the cards that we made. Isn't that cute? So everything was pretty much done. We just had to put it together pretty much and do a little bit of coloring. But that one is super cute. And then we made this one right here, which is a shaker jar. And it's a card. So cute, right? And so we made that one. And this is my card. Oh, I see I have 3. That was my card. So I taught that one. And all these random envelopes. And a bunch of envelopes. Oh, the envelope goes with this one. So I made this one. And this one. These are all the table gals. And this one right here, which I absolutely freaking love. And she gave us directions on how to make it. I got to get these ninjas now. But I think these are the bigger ninjas. The other ones were the littler ones. But it's just pull card, right? Isn't that freaking cute? So absolutely loved it. She did so much work for us ahead of time. It's just amazing. And then I traded my extra kits. So I traded it. I'm going to make a little bookmark. And then this one is just something fun. I think we just, I'm just going to have to figure that one out. And I don't know if there's a third one or not. I can't. And we got a gift for participating. So we got a pack of gel pens, which I always can use that. And then we got this roses die. And so this was a gift. for participating, and that's what we got. So that was fun. And then then we had a make and take time. So this is where you would go to 8 different tables and make a project. And so we had some big name people at this event. We had Lori Basson. We had Christina Werner, which was amazing. She commented on my curly hair. I felt so flattered. Anyway, she is so nice. So, and we had popsicle sticks, Davinia. So it was amazing. Anyway, here's the project. So we made this cute little pocket hugger tag. Lori Basson made that one. And then we made this other tag. We made this right here, which is just so cute. And we made, this is from Popsicle Sticks. Isn't that cute? Love this. I actually ended up having to go buy the stamp sets because I just loved it. And then we made this card. This is Christina Werner's, which is just adorable. And then this one right here. So it swings and lights up. So that was really fun. That was from Pear Blossom. And then I did not put this together because I wanted it to be able to be flat. So it is, I've got all the pieces to make it. So it's going to be a, like a box, gift bag, I guess. And then it has this little bunny. So I just did the bunny, and then I just kind of prepared these pieces, but I wanted to be able to, you know, get it home without it getting ruined. So I didn't put it together. So that was kind of my decision not to put that together because I just didn't want it to be smushed, but you get the idea. And then here are the items that I purchased. So I'm going to talk about the items I purchased, and then the second video will be all the classes and what we got. And also I won a prize. So I'm going to show you the prize that I won. So, okay. So at the last day, I decided to purchase some of these lights. So I got the one light. I got 3 of them. I got the candle light. So you could push the button and then you could blow out the light. It was demoed and it was so stinking amazing. So I got those. I'm going to try that out. And then I thought that I would need these. Like, I felt like I was running low during the class. So I bought these and then I ended up not using them, but I can always use those. So I did get, I also bought these snap and spins. So these suckers help your card move instead of using pennies. So I did buy those, test them out, and see what I think. Okay, so then they had the cutest example using a slimline box card, and they use this to kind of help make some Mickey ears. You can use these pieces to make Mickey ears. It was so cute, but I did not buy the box because I feel like I might have one, or I can make one, but I feel like I have one. So I need to look and make sure before I buy another die that I might have. So, but I bought this, which does a rainbow. It's got balloons. It's got some other things that I think are really, really cute. So I did get that. And then, let's see. I'll show you some stuff. So I got the name tag die. And so that's the one that was kind of from the lanyard pocket, which I think is really, really cute. I have some ideas for it. I just love the idea of it. And so I'm hoping I can find some more examples of how it was used. And then I got the artist trading card die, which I don't see. We did also make a trading card in the make and takes, and I don't know where it is. I hope it pops up because it's so cute. It looks like a little Pokemon card. I don't know where it is. Like I said, I came back with so much stuff that who knows what's it, but if I find it, I'll show it to you guys. So I did get that. And then the artist trading cards also go with the playing cards. So I think this is so, so cute. So I'm going to make some little playing cards. I think they make really cute cards. So I did get that. And then, let's see, I got this, because this was half off. You got the stamp and you got the die for $15. So I did pick that up. I did pick this up because I believe that the postage, I'm sure I've got something that will fit this postage, but I believe that I have the postage stamp set that I have, postcard stamp I have from them, I believe, or die, I believe it will cut these out. But I like this one because it does have a Christmas, but for the most part, it could be any time. So very cute. I got that. And then the photo booth is super cute. I got that one along with the die. And then I got the birthday celebration. So some of these are brand new, and I don't even know if they've been released yet or they're going to be future releases. I also got the Little Agenda Farm. I believe this one might be also a new release. It's a mini photo frame, which was just too cute. And a lot of people used these little guys for like in the bookmarks and all kinds of things, and I thought it was really, really cute. And then this I know is not released yet. It's Penguin Park, and it's freaking cute as can be. We made a lot of cards using this in the classes. Inspired by Disney, but not really Disney. I can see all kinds of uses for this castle, and you'll get to see how I made it in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.